Okay, guys. As you know, this is Unit 11, computer networks, and most of you would have finished P1, which is the PowerPoint presentation. So I need you to start on P3, which is produce a design for a computer network. So with the producing of design, we're going to use PowerPoint. We're going to use Storyboard and some other things that I will show you in a minute. But before we start, I would like you guys to download something that you will use. This morning, I told you to do some work for me, and I've got a few people that have submitted, but I need you to look into what we call network diagram, or another word for network diagram is called topologies. So we have different types of topology. We have bus, we have ring, we have mesh, and I would like you guys to read and understand these three types of topologies. For this assignment, we are going to be concentrating on a star topology, because we're going to be using star topology as is the easiest one to set up. Okay, all of you, if you can just go and download the simulator that I told you in the class that we're going to use, which is called Packet Tracer. So we're going to use Packet Tracer as our simulator. It's free to download, but please follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So type on your browser, as I've done, netacad.com. So when you go to netacad.com, it's a Cisco website. It's safe and secured. Go on to Packet Tracer, and on the Packet Tracer, it said enroll to download Packet Tracer. So click on enroll to download. As you can see, it says length is 10 hours. The cost is free. So it's for beginners. So don't worry about paying. The reason they've done this is because they just want people to enroll, so that, and even if you want to learn Packet Tracer on your own. So sign up today and make sure you choose English as your language. And when you do that, put your name, as I will do here, Balaji, and your last name. It's a secure website, so don't worry. And you have to put an email for your activation. You can use the college email, or you can use a personal email. So with this one, because I've used my college email before, I will not be using the college email again. I'm going to be using my personal email. So I've used targetdoonline@gmail.com. Tick all this if you want to. Keep me updated. You don't have to. No, I would like to receive any I would not like to receive any communication. Just put yes or no. I'm putting no. I certify that I'm 13 or older, so which means most of you guys in the classroom are over 16. I know my youngest is 16, so tick this box. So now, just to make sure to activate the software, what is 2 plus 5? It just asks you so that you're not a robot. 2 plus 5 is what? 7 in my own case. Yours might be different. So click on submit. So once you click on submit, say now you've seen that self-enroll, induction to Packet Tracer, this, and everything. But before you can do this, they've sent me an email, which I'm gonna go and check. It's on my Gmail. So they've sent me one, which is Cisco Academy, activate account, and obviously it will give you all the names that you have put here, and select a country, which is United Kingdom. Company, because we're using it for this is not the college license we're using. Just put self and create a password. So we tell you if your password is strong or not. Make sure you have capital letter and numbers and letters all mixed together. And then, so know that you're not a robot, to ask you for these characters. So make sure you put the characters in the captcha. So 1, 8, 3 for me, 8, 4, 3. Would you like Cisco promotions? I'll say I don't want to. I'll put no, and then click on register. So now we're going through the registration process, which will take a few minutes or seconds. Now you have to log in to download now. So I'm gonna put my login username, which I use for which is my email. At Gmail. Password. See, my password is incorrect. I don't know what.